CSR is becoming essential for more and more companies. At Palsgaard, we know from experience that accountability and sound business are each other's preconditions, not opposites. That's why corporate social responsibility is embedded in our global activities. As early as 1908, Palsgaard's founder, Einar Viggo Skov, was deeply convinced that a business had to consider social and environmental issues in a responsible way. Satisfied employees, loyalty towards customers, and environmental care was already on his agenda back then. He didn't think of it as CSR, just his way of doing business. Today, this mindset means that we have integrated CSR in our business model, and we are comfortable pioneers in this area. We have structured our focus on CSR around 4 areas: energy and environment, employees, corporate governance, products. We joined SEDEX in 2008 and committed ourselves to the UN Global Compact in 2011. The 10 principles are integrated in our work, and we aim for full transparency. Raw materials play a major role in our CSR efforts. We conduct responsible supplier management and demand responsible business ethics, compliance with human rights, and environmental responsibility. The most important raw material we use for making our emulsifiers is palm oil. And that's one of the main reasons why we've actually located the new factory here in Malaysia, so it cuts down our total logistics and transport journey, bringing the raw materials to our site, meaning also considerably reducing our CO2 footprint in making our emulsifiers. Sustainable production of palm oil is very essential for manufacturers, consumers, and local biodiversity. Therefore, we use RSPO-certified palm oil whenever possible, and it's our ambition to use only RSPO-certified palm oil by the end of 2015. We have pledged to become CO2 neutral by 2020, so emissions are clearly a focus area. As an example, we use straw from the farmland around Palsgaard for heating, and we switched from oil to natural gas in our factory. Both initiatives generated a massive reduction in CO2 emissions. We set up the solar power plant here at our Mexican factory in 2012. The plant minimizes our need for external energy, and more than 85% of our energy is now covered by the plant. It has reduced our carbon footprint significantly, so we contribute to Palsgaard's overall CO2 target. We have even installed solar-powered water heaters in the homes of our employees, so that they too reduce their energy consumption. For us, our work with CSR began in 1908. It has expanded to a lot of areas, and we've come a long way since then. But we continue to set new goals, and even though we've been familiar with CSR for more than 100 years, our ambition is still to develop Palsgaard responsibly, and we're always ready to engage in further dialogue.